Hello everyone, welcome to your very own Empower with Knowledge channel. In this session, we will be discussing on a biotech company in Pune to have become the first company in India to develop a test kit for the diagnosis of coronavirus. Before going into details, please make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon as well in order to get notified of every activity of this channel. Recently, a molecular diagnostic company of Pune, Maharashtra, named Mylab Discovery Solutions Private Limited, has become the first Indian company to have developed the first made in India testing kits for COVID-19. Within a period of only 6 weeks of research, they have successfully developed this testing kit. This kit, commercially named as Mylab PathoDetect COVID-19 Qualitative PCR kit, has also been the first one to get approval from various medical bodies and institutions like Food and Drug Administration of India, ICMR, etc. Besides our nation, this kit has also been approved by a Germany-based diagnostic company named Altona Diagnostics. Now, let's have a brief idea about Mylab Discovery Solutions Private Limited. It was founded in the year 2016. It is located in Pune, Maharashtra. This company is primarily active in the fields of medical diagnostics, drug discovery, biomedical research, and agricultural genomics. It is also the first company in India to have developed IDNAT screening kits for HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C vaccines. Here, IDNAT stands for Individual Donor Nucleic Acid Testing. It is a method of testing via blood samples which is quite different than the conventional ways, and it reduces the probability of contamination via transfusion. Now, coming to the COVID-19 testing kit developed by them. Commercially, it is named as Mylab PathoDetect. This kit has commercially been approved by Drug Controller of India after getting validated by National Institute of Virology via conduction of test. At present, it is said to have the capability of studying 1000 samples from large labs and 200 samples from small labs. They also expect to produce at least 1 lakh test kits on weekly basis and then gradually speed up the process as per the demand of it. Now, what are the advantages or what will be the advantages of it? Firstly, it will be efficient. Our government borrows testing kits from abroad for which government has to pay an average of rupees 4500 on every testing kit. Now, as the authorities of this company said, its price will be around rupees 1200, which is almost a quarter of the price that government has to pay while importing kits from abroad. And also, importing the items also require some additional expense. Thus, it will be beneficial economically. Secondly, the testing kits that are imported from abroad generally takes about more than 4 hours of conduction of test to show the outcome. In case of this kit, it will require only 2.5 hours to show the result as said by the team that developed the kit. So, indeed, it is less time consuming and will surely improve the frequency of conduction of test in equal time span. And most importantly, these kits are being developed in our country and also being approved by the various national institution in the field of medical research and healthcare. It will be more credible and acceptable. Also, if there occurs any shortage of kits at any moment, they can easily be produced and imported very easily. Now, Behind this successful development, there has also been set an example of women empowerment. This project of developing these testing kits was led by the virologist Dr. Minal Bhosle, who is also the company's research and development chief. Not only because she being a woman set an example that will inspire many, but also because the background story behind successful journey is bound to inspire everyone. While the research was going on, she was pregnant and was on the verge of giving birth of a child. Even in this situation, she did not stop working. She worked tirelessly and intensely for well-being of the nation. When she was asked about it, she said, "It was an emergency, so I took this on as a challenge. I have to serve my nation." A country where, in a major section of the society, patriarchal mindset is still prevalent, this kind of achievements by women are truly admirable and appreciable, and they set examples and inspire many other women to come out and show their true worth. Finally, at what extent and how will it attribute to the well being of our nation when it's suffering from major problems in combating coronavirus? So far, by 14th April report, India has conducted mere over 2 lakh tests, which means 177 people per million population of our country, which is significantly lower than the other countries. Even in the US, where so far more than 3 million tests have been conducted, means an average of more than 9,000 people out of 1 million population. Furthermore, the rate of conduction of tests in daily basis is very low in our country, which is an issue of major concern. So, these kits being developed in India and also being very proactive in fulfilling the demand of the kits, all this shows very promising future and we can surely expect an optimistic outcome. So, this is it of our discussion. If you find it informative, please do like. If you have any additional information, opinion, suggestion regarding any content, feel free to share via comment section and share it among as many people possible. We will soon meet in another session. Till then, be happy, stay safe, and thank you all.